Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Rajat Dandekar and today I am incredibly excited to announce the launch of Hands-on Reinforcement Learning Bootcamp. This bootcamp is specifically designed for people who are beginners and who have no prior knowledge in the field of reinforcement learning. My intention is to show you that reinforcement learning is not a very theoretical field, but it has tremendous practical applications too. This year has arguably been the year where reasoning LLMs have gained in popularity. And this started at the beginning of this year, that is January 2025, when DeepSeek released their open source large language model, which could reason. At the heart of that model was reinforcement learning algorithm called GRPO. And this paper showed the world that using pure reinforcement learning, we can induce reasoning capabilities in an LLM. This is going to be a major part of this bootcamp. We are going to understand how to build a reasoning model from scratch. But before that, we are going to start off with the basics of reinforcement learning. Then we are going to cover deep learning with PyTorch. Uh, Slowly, we'll build our knowledge so that we'll be able to understand how Atari agents can be built to play video games. And then we'll focus on policy gradient methods, reinforcement learning through human feedback, which is really at the heart of aligning LLMs like ChatGPT towards human preferences. Without RLHF, we could not have ChatGPT being such a massive phenomena that it was in the December of 2022. And then finally, we'll touch upon GRPO. How exactly does it work, and uh, what is the blueprint for designing the reasoning model? Throughout this bootcamp, we'll cover some exciting projects. We have listed down 5 projects here, and all of these span different fields, including finance, web navigation, LLMs, of course, video gaming, etc. The bootcamp is structured into two learning paths. There is a free learning path for everyone to access. It includes access to live lectures, which I'll be taking every week. And then there is a pro plan where you will get access to the 5 end-to-end RL projects which I discussed. And along with that, we'll be giving you access to the Discord community. Then you will get complete RL code repositories along with an RL book, which is written by the Vijwara team. These lectures will be taken every single week. There will be 8 lectures in total, and we will be covering the entire syllabus in a span of 8 weeks. So I will be teaching you for the duration of overall 2 months. So it's a 2 month long bootcamp. Uh, Thank you, everyone, and I encourage you to explore the website, check out the curriculum, check out on these links to look at the more finer aspects of the curriculum and what all areas in reinforcement learning that we'll be covering. Bye.